In this video, we're going to talk about how to integrate third-party instrument plugins into GarageBand for Mac. You might have your eye on a particular instrument or synth plugin, for example, and you've been wondering, how can I use this within GarageBand? Well, that's what we're talking about in this video. But before you can use third-party instrument plugins in GarageBand, you need to download and install them. The process of downloading and installing these plugins will differ from product to product, but there are a few universal things to look out for. First off, you want to make sure that you download and install the AU or audio unit version of whatever instrument plugin you want to use. This is the plugin format that GarageBand for Mac and Logic Pro for Mac use, so make sure if you are given the choice of what version to download, you select AU and not VST or AXX formats, for example. You also don't need to spend a penny to access really high quality instrument plugins. There are hundreds of freebies out there that are well worth getting your hands on. I'll link to a few of my favourites like Contact Player, Vital, Surge XT and loads more in the description below this video. Okay, with that out of the way, we're here in a blank GarageBand for Mac project, and I'm going to create a new software or MIDI instrument track. By default, GarageBand will create a classic electric piano track. It will also bring up by default the Smart Controls window at the bottom. If for some reason it doesn't, you can hit B on your typing keyboard to bring it up, or click on the dial icon in the top of GarageBand's window. Now, if we go down here, we can see it says Plugins, and there's a drop-down menu. We're going to click on Plugins, and then here you see the piano. It's what's selected for our software instrument sound. So we need to change that to a third-party plugin, and the way we do that is by hitting the drop-down arrow. It's very small and only on the right-hand edge of this instrument plugin block. Then go down to AU Instruments and all of your third-party instruments will show up here, categorized by developer. I'll go ahead and select Arturia's excellent and free Analog Lab Play. The name on the plugin tile changes and we can now click on it to open up Analog Lab Play's interface. The instrument is now my MIDI instrument sound and I can now control it using an attached MIDI controller or even my typing keyboard using musical typing. I can interact with the plugin's controls and presets just as if it were opened in standalone mode, and when I hit record, its outputted sound is captured in GarageBand. Let me know what your favourite third-party instrument plugin is down in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe button while you're there. And for more info on some sweet free instruments that work in GarageBand for Mac, watch this video next.